Does money buy happiness?
Yeah, of course. Money buys happiness. Look at the goddamn smile on my face. Look at the goddamn...
Oops. Blasphemy.
Explain mo bakit.
Wala silang pera. Yun lang yun. Kaya sinasabi nila na hindi nabibili ng pera ang kasiyahan. Wala silang pera. They don't have any. Kasi unang-una hindi mo mapapasaya ang buhay mo. Hindi ka ba sasaya kapag yung pamilya mo maginhawa ang buhay? Hindi ba masaya yun?
Totoo.
Hindi ba masaya yun na kapag kailangan ng gamot ng isa sa kapamilya mo na papagaling mo agad siya dahil may pera ka? Kasi alam mo tol, na-realize ko na mahal gumawa ng masasayang memory. It requires money.
Happiness is subjective. For example ako, bumili ako ng cotton candy at masaya na ako doon sa cotton candy na yun. I'm happy. Diba? And we cannot conclude na yung mga walang pera ay hindi na masaya. Agree naman ako sa ibang sinabi niya na pag nakakapag-provide tayo sa pamilya natin, kapag nagpapagamot natin sila, pag kailangan, masaya tayo. And that's true. Siguro palitan natin yung money can't buy happiness. Kasi nga yung happiness subjective. Kasi yung isang tao pwedeng maging masaya sa isang lollipop lang. So hindi nasusukat ng pera yung kasiyahan ng isang tao. Kasi everyone wants to be happy. But everyone struggle to find the real happiness. Why? What we really want is peace, not happiness. Kasi yung happiness, it comes and go, it changes. Depende sa situation at emosyon mo. But peace is different. Peace makes us content and happy in all situations. So dapat, money can't buy peace. How do we find it? People failed time and time again trying to find it in material things in this world. Hinahanap nila yan sa relationship, sa money, dream car, dream house, sa career, they want more power. Ang problema kasi, when they reach that level, the top of the mountain, then they will realize, is this it? I thought it would be more. I thought it would change everything. But I still feel the same. I don't feel content. Why? Because the world can never give it to you. Only God can. God is peace. And we cannot find peace outside of Him. Sabi ni Jesus sa John 14 verse 27, I am leaving you with a gift, peace of mind and heart. And the peace I give is a gift the world cannot give. So don't be troubled or afraid. Ganon din sa John 16:33. I have told you all this so that you may have peace in me. Here on earth you will have many trials and sorrows, but take heart because I have overcome the world. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. Now may the Lord of peace Himself give you His peace at all times and in every situation. The Lord be with you all. Kaya maraming malalaking pangalan na kahit nakuha na nila yung lahat, they feel that there's something missing. And that missing part is God. Pagpatuloy natin yung mga sinabi niya.
Tingnan nyo na lang ha. Pag pumunta tayo lahat sa langit, tingin ko ang totoong flex, ang real flex, ano ang nagawa mo sa lupa. Ba, magkakasama tayo dun. Atol, kami kasi, bahay-bahay lang kami yung pamilya. Diba?
Ang real flex daw o yung may pagyayabang kapag nasa langit na, ay yung mga nagawa natin nung nasa earth pa tayo. I don't think so. God will never allow a prideful and a proud heart in heaven. Heaven is a perfect place. And malinaw sa Bible na we are saved by grace, not by our works. Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9. Sabi, God saved you by His grace when you believe. And you cannot take credit for this. It is a gift, regalo daw, regalo from God. Salvation is not a reward for the good things we have done. So, yung mga ginawa natin dito, hindi yun ang makakapagligtas sa atin, hindi yun ang makakapagpadala sa atin sa langit. So, none of us can boast about ang linaw, di ba? Para daw walang makapagyabang. I don't think God will allow that kind of conversation sa heaven na magyayabangan tayo doon na ito ginawa ko, kaya ako napunta dito sa langit. No, heaven is a perfect place. And God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble.